However, there is almost always some way that a conflict can be resolved. Understanding each type of conflict can help us find ways to deal with them. Let's take a closer look.
Well, Sarah, the requisition you filled out was incorrect.
No, it's not. That's exactly how...
One common category of conflict is misunderstandings. For instance, confusion over incorrect, outdated, or vague information or instructions can lead to conflict. When people develop different understandings of the same situation, the best response is to provide everyone with the most reliable, accurate, and current information available. This helps establish common ground. But even with the most up-to-date facts and figures, people can still disagree about what they really mean, which brings us to another common type of conflict.
No, you're wrong. That's not what this data means at all.
In these cases, engaging in friendly debate over the disagreement can often lead to a resolution. Sometimes it may be necessary to agree to disagree and to move on. Other times, people can agree on a common goal, but still disagree on how to get there. These procedural conflicts are about different means to the same end.
They can take it and then do what they need to do with it. So,
well, from there, you're not entering anybody's name in the computer. You're doing it wrong.
When there is more than one way to complete a task, a compromise that incorporates parts of each plan can often be reached. Conflicts can be far more difficult to resolve if the individuals or groups have different goals. This can sometimes feel like a no-win situation.
I got some deliveries to make. Well, you can't use the van. I needed to make a pickup.
However, these situations can often be turned into win-win scenarios through collaboration. Few goals are truly mutually exclusive. By working together to reach both goals, conflicting parties can often resolve their differences.